The cups and balls is one of the oldest tricks in Magic, and it's been performed on the street, close-up, and even on the grand stage. The Murphy's Cups and Balls are the ideal entry-level set for beginners and professionals alike. Made from polished aluminum, these cups are 50% heavier than competitive sets and comes complete with professional quality hand-knitted balls that look and feel amazing. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, the Murphy's Cups and Balls are the perfect set for this new age of classic Magic.